It's me and Drew Kissel. 5 OGs.
Yeah.
How do you flip the camera? Hi.
You got to stop.
Oh. Are you recording?
Dude, that thing.
No, you get away.
Any questions?
Gabe.
No, about the 5 OGs. That's why they're here.
Oh, that's right.
No, you're not. Who's the president of the United States?
Donald Trump!
Large a brain.
Oh! Shooter, Gabe. Shooter, Gabe. Wait, we got that more.
Not now.
Get out of my nose! Brain was in my nose.
Why are you okay with putting your finger in people's
I actually did not know what that was.
Ow! You stepped in my wart! Oh my god! Twerk.
Yeah.
Oh! Wow.
Hot girl bummer, level 10.
Wait, hot girl bummer?
Shh, quiet.
It's better than Hot Girl Bummer, dude.
Play hot girl bummer.
No, Summer. Ow!
Play the fart song.
Logan,
Hmm?
let me give you some advice, okay?
Gabe.
All you need is love.
Okay, put it on.
Go on a date sometime or something.
I thought you never asked.
Wait, hold on. Can I
can't do it.
You wish you went to Waco.
Damn.
Potato.
Whoa!
What's up, man?
So pretty much today we're gonna be blowing up. Oh geez, he's got it already. We're gonna be blowing this dishwasher up. Dude, he just picked up the whole dishwasher by himself.
Brain, stop right there. Right there. Back up a little bit. Jane, look up, please, real quick.
Action shot. Jaden, get in. There we go.
Nice. That's
Oh.
Wait. Where's Dalton?
Give him the whip. Give him the whip, boy. Oh yeah. So pretty much what we're doing is we're taking Coke. Dude, that sounds cool. We're taking Coke. We're putting chlorine in it, and it's gonna make a bomb, and it'll blow up, and then we're gonna blow up this dishwasher over here. So it should be pretty lit, but we don't recommend anyone trying this at home because it creates some chemical that can kill you or something, right, Jalen?
What? No, it's not right.
Yes, it is. Yeah.
Oh, don't drop it. Oh.
Jalen, you left the GoPro inside.
Lift.
Oh.
Nice. Working. Let go.
Hey!
Let go.
Oh! No! Did you break it already?
No. Try again.
No, don't.
Okay.
Can we just get it over there?
Oh!
Oh!
Come on!
So after about 3 attempts with the Coca-Cola, we found out that this experiment would not work at all. So we moved on from that and we found some fireworks in Brayden's closet and we were gonna blow up the dishwasher with that. So here's what happened.
Recording. Oh, she's lit, boys.
Jaden! Jaden!
Brain. Soda engine. Oh, dear Lord.
Nice. Dude, Drew's gone. For anyone that doesn't know, Drew is definitely afraid of fireworks.
Mine's lit.
No, there's one that's legit.
There actually is one in there.
Thumbnail on. Cool, I'm not in it. This is how you get
We'll
second.
crop you in it.
This is how you get secondhand smoking right here. Holy cow!
Wakanda forever!
We beat the machine. We beat the machine. Well, Drew was pretty far ways away. Let's send this thing to the moon.
Yeah.
Those sauces off your roof.
Yeah.
Boom, in different pieces. No.
Come on.
Are you recording?
Dude, that thing. No! You get away.
Calvin, you're in a video. How's it feel?
I feel famous, but
Oh.
I love you, Mom. I love you.
Look at this
All right,
thing.
Brayden, let's go. Tester.
That's
Yeah.
about.
That's
like almost as big as Dion's nose.
Don't try this at home. This is dangerous.
No, it's not. Camera crew ready? Hi.
Alright, I'm ready. I'm leaving.
Oh God. Sorry.
Why are your hands in your pants?
Stop recording me. Don't stand on the first one.
Why am I holding? Guys, always pick up your trash. Right, Jane?
Yeah.
I'll record you picking it up.
Give her a taste.
All the five of you at one table. This probably looks pretty legendary right now.
It's all, folks.
Yeah.
That's what I'm